Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to lock Facebook Messenger app using Face ID in iPhone. First of all, make sure you have the shortcut app on your iPhone. If you don't have this, you can download it from App Store. Now go ahead and launch shortcut app and tap on automation. Tap on create new automation and here select app and tap on choose app and search for messenger. Select messenger, tap on done. Now here select is opened and select run immediately and disable notify when run option and then tap on next. Select new blank automation, tap on add action. In the search action box you have to type lock and add lock screen. Tap on done and that's it. I've successfully turned on Face ID lock for my Messenger app. Now I'm going to opening my Messenger app and as you can see, when I try to open my Messenger app, my iPhone screen lock automatically. Now to unlock or use Messenger, I have to verify my Face ID and then my Messenger will be open. So this is how we can lock our Facebook Messenger app using Face ID. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.